see that phone the way I buy for $10,000.
Why if me didn't know so me I get so much money would I buy 100,000 phone?
We are recording from.
You see your face? Brownie. Car can no?
Care better than your phone.
Right now, if I want to take the visa, and know say I have my car, me and my car, and say it's an asset, right? So I run me.
Your phone, I don't know, they have access.
Would I buy when I $180 something $1,000 phone? When I iPhone 14, no.
That's it, I hear money.
That's true. I feel away now. I'll never get trade this.
We're nasty, Miss Blue every day and give me one to reaction.
You know, say we don't take up my money and buy a phone.
You need to find a way to set your phone when you don't know so we are recording. Once you take up my phone,
no, I do that when I push Spite Pierce over there, look. We get her when she look round.
If somebody's buying it for me, and I know, I will tell them not to buy it.
But you know how much fees?
Yes.
So much.
But if I don't have a choice and the person just buy the phone, I will gladly accept it.
When they buy it and they not tell you, but you know how much it value when they get it, where
yeah, just keep it.
Still buy it. I'm gonna still take it.
So what would you buy it?
Sell it now.
How much would you buy a phone for?
How much would I buy a phone for? $10,000. No,
maximum?
I don't see why I'm gonna take up so much money spent for no phone.
Yeah. No, the fact that she don't really want the picture and quality and then something.
Exactly. I don't want to phone nobody call my phone.
Remember guys, don't call her phone.
My business, don't call me.
Princess, how much would you spend on a phone? What's the maximum amount? Hello? What? Hello? What's the maximum you would spend on a phone?
22,000.
How much would you spend on a phone? The maximum amount? About 30,000. Like, hi. Well, for me, the maximum amount I would spend on a phone is around, let me see, because you know you have to calculate your budget and how much you get paid and how much you can handle. Alright, so that is like maybe around, you see 80,000? Yeah, 80,000, but not really 80,000, maybe 70 something galore. So like 50 something, yeah, about that. Would you take up 180,000 on a phone? No, can't do that. Let me know how much you guys would spend on a phone. What's the maximum amount you guys would spend on a phone?
So y'all get a used for it. No one see that phone the way I buy for $10,000.
She said it's a maximum. Yeah, I will kind of like, like that now. Right. Pierce said she wants to see the phone.
That's impossible. No one see camera by one. But I do for myself.
You see, if me go foreign, me can't get that price. Good quality phone.
Not about foreign.
That's
That's about
true.
Jamaica.
You know, she never tell me Jamaica. Did you say Jamaica?
No.
Oh, okay.
Watch out. She over there.
Where have
You remember she?
Then I remember me.
You remember? Yeah, all them for forget about where you have them before. Guys, for the week.
What time of day you taking the top but I mean? Take picture, you know. Take picture now.
That's a lie.
She all meet someone for the first time. For the first time she meet the person, you know. I think with them phone for record.
No. Who I did that with?
KK.
No, man, KK, me and KK talk over phone.
But that first time I meet her.
So no say, I'm a friend.
Our phone friend, I'm just
Right. No, we're not from Barrow. I'm a phone.
Oh.
At the phone there, you
Do I
just call right now.
same way as it's well as same KK still.
That's why them the
I mean,
energy
keep
so
going.
their energy much.
I have this stuff.
How do I have this stuff? Well, I was studying my Friday video and the last time I UTECH. I see them myself.
discriminating.
Man, like, shut.
I'm gonna ask a few more people how much they will pay for a phone. So just stay.
You're welcome. Need to make a
Why?
I'm going to make next YouTube channel and I post man the first one we have.
This one is for here.
Eh?
Other ideas.
Or you want like other things? Oh, that's how you do it.
That's why I'm not
Who like
yeah, but I remember ring first.
You don't need a ring light.
This was just a try.
Baby love.
I'm gonna do it.
I don't have a ring light. You don't need a ring light.
Yeah.
You just need good, just open your window, sit down by your veranda or something and catch up the phone on the rack. Yeah.
You can't let me your phone.
Improvise.
You think some of the big YouTubers and everything they start off with iPhone?
No.
They do not.
No.
Much money you spend for a phone?
What's the maximum amount you spend on a phone?
I don't buy phone.
But if you were to, what's the maximum?
If I had to buy a phone,
Yes.
and the maximum,
Yes.
I should use and buy a phone,
Yes.
like 50,000.
Okay. Good. Yes, a rich boy, you know. Me and him can pass. Yeah.
Where about me again from? You're talking.
Yes, so what is the cheapest you want to buy a phone for?
$1,000.
$1,000 phone is as a banger, $1,000 phone stops it.
You can have $1,000 US.
You mean $1,000 US?
That is $100.
That is 155.
But just
$55,000.
Speaking in Jamaican dollars.
We are not talking about US at this point. We are living in Jamaica now. So how much Jamaican money would you buy a phone for? So, alright. What if you have it like that?
Yeah.
Have it like that?
Yes.
Like rich?
So you have
Yeah,
billions.
yeah, billion of dollars.
Millions of dollars?
Yeah.
Me not need to buy a phone company, they give me the phone.
We're not talking about company. We're not talking about a company. We are talking.
Listen,
We are
if
talking
I
about
was-
you.
If I was rich, I wouldn't need to buy a phone.
Yeah,
Because they would already give me the phone, a prototype.
No, depends on what type of job
Yes.
you do. Because if you are an ambassador, then and you have like.
Just put that money.
People would just want to give me the phone. You don't know that already?
No, but you have to. No, but you have to. No, no. Remember, you can be rich, and people don't know you.
No, when I go to events, you know,
No.
some of the gifts that they give you
No,
are
no.
very
She
expensive.
doesn't know what answer.
No, we are thinking about. All right. For example,
Okay, I cannot.
look at Shannon Fraser. You know that, all right, she's an ambassador woman. So she signed up for a company.
No, but listen.
Right, what if you don't
If
sign
I
for a
was
company?
rich, I'm in the elite club.
Yeah.
I would go to events, and some of the gift that they give you is phone.
So that's what you're saying, no? You are depending on person. So you are depending on person to give you things.
Alright, well the answer is $0.
See what you say.
No, I wouldn't need to buy a phone.
But we are not talking about. Yes? Yes, listening?
Leave it alone, drop it.
Okay, I rest my case.
Right.
What's the case?
Yeah, I rest my case.
I wouldn't need to buy. I wouldn't need to buy a phone.
I can't have that key.
I wouldn't need to buy a phone.
We know you are.
So why am I going to spend? Why am I going to spend to buy a phone when I will already get the phone?
You are cheap.
Huh?
Cheese what?
Cheap ass.
Cheap ass?
I'm not going to take up a lot of money to buy a
It's
phone.
okay, it's okay.
But you asked me about laptop.
Oh.
So what's the difference? What's the difference?
Laptop can do.
What's the difference?
Laptop is totally better than a phone.
Yeah.
Probably like 100,000 or more.
Me not spend that.
You
That
see?
is what I do. You're asking me the wrong thing.
No, the same gadget that you have, you can have a phone and still make a billions with it.
My laptop was
Yes, you can, because there are many
5,000.
I do more stuff on my laptop than I do with my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you have school and so forth. Sometimes the
Exactly.
phone is compatible.
I don't even want nobody
Yeah.
to call my
Right.
phone.
Right.
So then you can call the laptop.
I don't want nobody to call me, period.
Period.
Period. So you're asking
Period.
me-
Period.
you're asking me
Period.
the wrong question.
Period.
I am not a phone person. You can't ask me.
I am a gadget person.
Just it.
Gadget person.
Yes.
So
I think that
I will use my money
I
and
think
buy all type of
money
gadgets. You know,
for buy a lot.
I went over there and I see a Bluetooth headphone and I said I was going to take it and say put it in the group to buy that for me.
How much for you?
Money on a Bluetooth.
5,000?
4,000.
Or,
Nine book or no? What about the one? No make sense to make them buy it now, you know. So,
Blair can't make up in mind.
That's why I tell us I don't know what to want.
Yes.
So I just buy something with us.
Stay tuned for the Pixie.
which store?
Well, gift exchange. Yeah.
Them have nice
Yeah. So.
Only love phone, and only spend enough money for phone. You
Yes.
cannot ask me if somebody in a business go phone. You must spend enough phone.
Yes.
See?
Yeah, I love phone and I love buy phone, so I will buy a phone for 100,000, whatever. If I have it like that, I am
Not if you're not happy.
No,
right.
poor.
But I need a good phone.
Yeah.
And if it's 150,200, I will buy it if I have them. But I'm not going to put my heart up there in this time. And
Couple years from now, I'll be in the elite club.
Speaking them to be.
I still don't need to spend so much money. Phone is a liability.
Ability.
I'm not going to waste my money on liability. I spend money on assets. My car is the asset. My house is the asset.
No.
Now car is on asset.
No car is no asset. Your children are your asset.
I don't have to speak with my children. I spend any money on my children.
Right.
So you're not spending on
Right, true.
So you're not spending on
Right, true. Can you know my people? I never birth you.
You never spend on me.
I never birth you.
You don't have to birth me.
I never birth. Come on, me, man.
I'm asking everyone, what's the maximum you spend on a phone?
Right now, 35.
35,000.
Yes, 35.